Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief. Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, January 24th. Remember, all trading involves risk. I'm actually going to look at what's already happened or already been reported. You see a bunch of European numbers here, flash manufacturing, PMI, services PMI, German, French, all of that's happening. But look over here. You got German consumer climate minus, public net borrowing greater than expected, which is bad. French flash manufacturing positive, but services negative. Manufacturing in Germany negative, services positive. My point here is there's red, green, red, green, 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 red, red. A lot of mixed numbers currently. Just sort of keep that in the back of your mind. Europe is kind of mixed. 9:45 this morning, we have flash services PMI for the U.S., flash services PMI, I should say manufacturing PMI for the U.S., as well as at 10 a.m. the Richmond Manufacturing Index. I watched the Richmond Manufacturing Index because it gives us an idea well in advance of what's going on in the economy, because manufacturing usually is the first to suffer when things go bad, and they're the first to turn around when things turn around. So 10 a.m. Richmond Manufacturing Index, and that is it for the U.S. the rest of the day. So not too much going on. Let's take a look at some charts. You can see the daily chart of the ES here. We've come back into this upper bull flag band, coming back down. 2 big days up. You was almost like you knew it was going to come down. We're going to gap down somewhat. Where could it go? I think we could retest yesterday's low, 39.80. Probably not going to go above yesterday's high, 40.55 today. I don't expect it to. If it did go up above that high, it could certainly test this high from or this little area right here. 40.85 is kind of a best case, worst case, whatever you want to look at it. And looking at momentum, yesterday we had a really, really strong market, except for the sell-off at the end of the day. But look at how this is one of the things I think is very interesting here. During this move to the upside, you actually had declining. At the very end of the day, we jumped on it, and a bunch of people came in and bought. But for the most part, during the middle of the day, there was selling into the price movement. Always interesting to see the smart money is exiting. That's way I read that. That is the smart money exiting even as price is going up. And then at the last of the day, that's the fear of missing out. That's totally what that is. Fear of missing out right there. Those guys are going to get screwed today. So we're down. Obviously, we're down. So I think this is very, very interesting. It kind of says it all right there. Let's take a look at the intraday. Numbers. Obviously we've got the overnight high up here at 40.42. 40.50 is a big number. Also, you've got this 40.35 to 38 area. Also, a lot of confluence there for overhead resistance. Support on the bottom side. We've got some confluence here at 4,000. Imagine that. And then really got some good stuff here around 39.80. Those are the numbers I'm looking at intraday. Stock Traders Almanac is 52.4. 52.4. So a very slight positive bias. Hope you guys have a great day and happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow.